Discussions about the country of Yemen have become increasingly heated recently because of the conflict between Israel and Gaza and also the United States. Did you know? Yemen has an air attack force that is no joke. One of them is the Soviet Union's pride in having the latest technology. In this video, I will discuss for jet fighters owned by the country of Yemen. Until now, it is still operating in the Yemeni skies as an air fighter. Northrop F-5. The Northrop F-5 is one of the most enduring military aircraft designs ever introduced. Northrop Grumman Corporation's F-5 series of tactical fighters has served its customers for more than 4 decades. The F-5's initial flight was July 31, 1963, at Edwards Air Force Base, California. Sukhoi Su-22. Sukhoi Su-17, or NATO nickname, Fitter. This was a Soviet Union attack aircraft developed from the Sukhoi Su-7 fighter bomber. Enjoyed a long career in the armed forces of the Soviet Union and later Russia. This fighter aircraft has been used and exported to various air forces, such as the Middle East and communist countries under the names Su-20 and Su-22. Mikoyan MiG-29. Again, the Russian, Yemeni Mikoyan MiG-29 was an air superiority fighter of the Soviet Air Force. Entered service with the General Dynamics F-16 Fighting Falcon and the larger F-15 Eagle. This fighter aircraft was developed to counter U.S. fighters such as the Su-27 during the 1970s. The MiG-29 was developed by the Soviet Union and was designed as a deadly twin-engine fighter aircraft. Mikoyan MiG-21. This is an iconic Soviet Union aircraft that was purchased by Yemen. The MiG-21 fighter jet is a continuation of the Soviet fighter jets, starting with the subsonic MiG-15 and MiG-17 and the supersonic MiG-19. A number of experimental Soviet Mach-2 designs were based on a nose intake with swept-back wings, such as the Sukhoi Su-7 or the Delta, of which the MiG-21 would be the most successful. Even though it is not as sophisticated as the American F-35 and the Russian Sukhoi Su-57, the Mikoyan MiG-29 is still the proud fighter aircraft of the Arab country of Yemen to this day. All narration in the video is original source from Wikipedia. You can check the video description for complete information. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. We hope you are always healthy and have a happy day.